Good morning students. In this video we will see next point, that is what is manual testing and what is automation testing, or the question is compare manual testing and automation testing. So first, what is manual testing? Manual testing means manual testing is a type of testing which is performed manually, means which is performed by human. So it is also called as a human based testing. Means manual testing means you perform the test step by step without help of any tools. In manual testing you can perform testing step by step without using any automated tools. That means it is a human based testing. Any human can manually test particular software without using any tools. And automation testing means tests are executed automatically using automation tools and frameworks. Means in automation testing you can perform testing using some automated tools. It means using some automated tools or framework. So such type of testing is called as a automation testing. So first, manual testing means it is a human based testing, means any human can perform testing manually without using any software, without using any tool. And automation testing performed by using automated tools and frameworks. So in short, in manual testing human can play major role, and in automation testing tools can play major role. So in manual testing human play major role, and in automation testing tools, for example case tool, test rail, test log, these are the Selenium, these are the testing tools. So these testing tools play major role to perform testing. So obviously if you use automated tools, frameworks, then it is automation. In automation testing it is much more faster than manual testing, because you used different testing tools for identify errors. So it is more faster than manual testing. So manual testing is slow and automation testing is more faster. Then next difference is related to test execution. In manual testing, test execution done manually, obviously by quality assurance tester. Whatever test executed, these tests are executed manually in manual testing, but by whom? By quality assurance tester. And in automation testing, test execution done automatically by using different tools. So next difference related to test efficiency. In manual testing, test efficiency means it is time consuming and less efficient. Obviously manual testing means without using any tool, so it is obviously time consuming and less efficient as compared to automation testing. It is non time consuming and more efficient than manual testing. And then next difference related to task. In manual testing multiple tasks done manually, but in automation testing most tasks can be automated, including real user simulation. So this is about manual testing and automation testing. So next point is, question is for 5 marks. What is manual testing and what is automation testing? So next point is test strategies for conventional software. Okay, test strategy for conventional software means unit testing and integration testing. Means testing strategy of conventional software and testing strategy for OO software. O means object oriented software, means unit testing in object oriented context means environment, and integration testing again in object oriented context. So testing strategy, now we will see first point, testing strategy for conventional software means unit testing. Second one is integration testing. Again, integration testing is categorized into two parts, top down integration and bottom up integration. Top down and bottom up integration. These all unders comes in testing strategy for convolutional network. So first is, if question asks explains testing strategy for convolutional software, then you can write first unit testing, second one is integration testing, and integration testing is again categorized into top down integration and bottom up integration. So now again, what is unit testing? Now unit means, we have already know what is unit testing. Okay, unit is nothing but individual part. What is unit? Unit means individual part of any software is called as a unit. So now unit testing, individual part is nothing but smallest part of software, or we can say single part of software. So what is unit testing? Unit testing means it is the process of checking smallest part or small piece of code to ensure that individual part of a program work properly on their own. Means unit testing perform on single part or smallest part of software. It's called as a unit testing. So unit testing are used to test individual block. Unit testing are used to check individual blocks. These individual blocks is nothing but one type of unit. And who perform unit testing? Unit testing done by developer. Suppose, for example, we have already seen example related to library management system. In library management system is broken down into modules. Module first, module second, module third, module 4. Again module is breakdown into sub module, module 5, module 6. Okay, so what is unit? Unit means individual part. This M5 is individual, M6 is individual, M4 is individual, M3 is individual, M2 is it's individual, and module 1 is also individual. So these are the individual parts of library management system software. So if you want to perform testing on such individual part, then such type of testing is called as a unit testing. Okay, and second part is integration testing. Integration means combine or integrate together, means set of one or more multiple components. Suppose in library management system broken down into modules M1, M2, M3, M4. Okay, so again this model broken down into submodule M5, M6. If these individual part of softwares are integrated together, means combined together and perform testing, such type of testing is called as the integration testing. Means integration means multiple part, multiple component of software combined together and perform a testing. Such type of testing is called as the integration testing. Name itself indicate integration means combine or integrate means combine together. So integration testing is again categorized into two parts. First part is top down integration and second one is bottom up integration. Big Bang and sandwich or mixed integration are also types of integration testing, but these two are important. First one is top down integration and second one is bottom up integration. First, integration testing occurs after unit testing and before system testing. After unit testing, because unit testing perform on individual part or separate modules, and system testing perform on overall system. So it is a mediator or middleware between unit testing and system testing. So top down integration testing means testing can be performed from top to bottom. Suppose library management system is a software. It's categorized into different modules. Suppose M1, M2, again M3, M4, again M5, M6. Suppose this is your software broken down into modules. So in top down integration, what is the flow of testing from top to bottom? Means testing start from first phase up to the last phase. Means first testing perform on LMS, means library management system, then testing perform on these modules, then testing perform on these modules. Means flow is from top to bottom. This is called as a top down integration. In both way, top down integration, first priority of module is decide, and as per priority of module, testing is performed in a topward direction. This is called as a top down integration, and bottom up integration is exactly opposite to top down integration. In bottom up integration, the flow of testing is from bottom to top, means from less priority to up to the highest priority. So in bottom up integration, first testing is performed on these sub modules, then testing is performed on these modules, and then now testing is performed on main system. So flow is from bottom to top. Such type of testing is called as a bottom up integration testing. So integration means you can combine different models, different units or individual part of software, and then perform one type of testing. Such testing is called as integration testing. So in this system, top down integration means first test library management system, means whole system, then test these 4 modules together, then test these 2 modules together. This is called as a top down integration. And bottom up integration means first test these 2 modules together, then test these 4 modules together, then test this particular main system, means library management system. Such type of testing is called as a bottom up integration.